Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is a 32-acre property my wife and I purchased almost 2 years ago. We've been working on putting this barn door up ourselves, but today we finally have some help coming in. They're gonna come in and they're gonna put all the metal on this big barn. We've worked really hard to get everything in line, all the purlins up, everything as good as we could. We even built these two massive cupolas that have given me an absolute fit. As you can see, they're a little bit left undone because these roofers are going to be up there, and to be honest, I don't want to get up that high on top of this roof if I don't have to. So they're going to help me with some of those details. But guys, they're going to be here in just a couple minutes. I'm going to keep wrapping up the last couple things, getting that ridge reinstalled there on the cupola, and then from there we're handing this over for the next couple days to our roofers. These guys do a fantastic job. I've gotten to see a lot of their work, and there's no other group that I'd rather have working on this than these guys. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna put you on a bit of a time lapse here so that we can see this metal going up all together.